This is the investment proposal presentation of Borza Terjatev, an online business-to-business receivables exchange platform. In recent years, companies have been faced with deteriorating market conditions and tightening of credit. Banks have decreased lending activity and have raised interest rates, restricting many companies from traditional sources of financing. At the same time, corporations are facing delayed payments from their customers, which strains their working capital and causes themselves to delay payments, triggering an ongoing chain of illiquidity in their supply line. An alternative financing option that companies may use to gain access to liquidity is factoring. Companies that issue invoices with long due dates to their customers may sell off these invoices with a small discount to gain instant access to cash, which they can use to finance their business. Factoring has a long history and tradition in Western EU countries, where the annual turnover of invoices traded through the factoring market amounts to 6.8% of total GDP. In Slovenia, factoring is substantially underdeveloped, with only a limited number of factors active on the market and an annual turnover to the tune of 1.5% of GDP. As a result, many Slovenian companies are left without access to both traditional and alternative financing sources. On an annual basis, the Slovene corporate community performs approximately 45 billion euros worth of business-to-business transactions. This is the total amount of invoices issued by Slovene companies to other Slovene companies for the supply of goods and services used in their business operations. Of these, only 600 million euros receivables are traded on the factoring market each year, and a further 600 million euros worth of receivables are settled through chain compensation set-off schemes. This means that only 2.7% of all invoices issued are used for managing companies' working capital. Among the main reasons for the underdeveloped factoring market are the high entry barriers for new investors and limited market transparency. The aim of the BT platform is to bridge these shortcomings and structure a service that will significantly lower entry barriers to the factoring market and put business-to-business receivables on the map as a new asset class, appealing to a wider investor base. The BT platform increases transparency of the factoring market by providing an organized marketplace and information point, where participants can view which receivables are currently trading and at which discount rates. The multilateral auction system ensures that companies selling the receivables obtain the best available terms, while the BT platform simplifies the administration process by automatically generating all required legal paperwork. For investors, the BT platform provides online access to credit rating information on debtors and sellers, while the team at Borza Terjatev performs background checks on each receivable traded and takes care of the settlement and collection process on behalf of investors. Hassle-free financing for companies and an attractive new asset class for investors. Borza Terjatev also has a strong use case for larger enterprises looking to lower costs in their supply line or simply wishing to help out their suppliers in getting paid early. The enterprise can invite its suppliers to post their invoices on the BT platform, which are then auctioned off and can also be bought by the enterprise itself at a discount. Borza Terjatev is an original idea of the BT development team and has been designed and developed with the insight of best practices from the UK, Germany, Sweden and the US. The BT platform increases market transparency by providing companies and investors a secure, online marketplace for trading business-to-business receivables with real-time market information. It enables hassle-free access to working capital financing for companies, supporting automated upload of receivables, which are then traded in a multilateral auctioning system, enabling companies to obtain the best available rates. For investors, The BT platform opens the door to a new, highly diversified asset class with attractive returns. The platform offers investors integrated credit rating information, while the B team provides supporting services including vetting, settlement, and collection of receivables traded. The business initiative has been brought forward by a development team with extensive background and experience in the fields of banking, corporate finance, marketing, customer support, and IT project development. Before Borza Terjatev, project team members have successfully worked together on a number of other business cases and are highly motivated to be involved in the BT project. The team is headed by Marko Rant and Tomi Šefman, co-founders of Borza Terjatev, who developed the initial business case for an online receivables trading platform. Both founding team members have substantial experience in corporate finance, banking and management, with Marko also specializing in real estate project development. Other key team members include Mateja Šefman and Gašper Rant, both of whom have been involved with Borza Terjatev since the start. Mateja is highly experienced in customer relations and marketing, especially in internet and website development. As an IT developer, Gašper has been pivotal in setting up the initial BT platform and is also responsible for new releases, security, and performance. The initial BT platform has been developed in 2012 and was tested in a beta trial launch which included 150 test users. Based on obtained customer feedback, the platform was updated in 2013 and proceeded with a soft market launch in the second part of the year. The launch attained early traction, and in the first quarter of 2014, BT topped 1 million euros worth of receivables traded over the platform and is currently achieving approximately 100 to 150,000 euros worth of receivables sold per month. All of this has been achieved with significantly constrained resources and a minimal marketing budget. Borza Terjatev is seeking 200,000 euros in seed capital funding to grow the pilot market in Slovenia and further develop the platform. The online trading platform is fully deployed, gaining market traction of 1 million euros receivables traded in the first quarter of 2014. The seed investment is aimed at financing sales and marketing rollout. There are a total of 45 billion euros of annual business-to-business transactions on the Slovenian market, with factoring covering only 600 million out of that potential. Based on financial projections, the company will break even at 400 paying customers. Following successful growth on the pilot market, regional expansion of BT platform is planned. A detailed information memorandum and company financial projections are available to investors on request.